Hello everyone, welcome back. As I promised, I am back with a problem. Today we'll see one of the standard problems in ray optics. Let us read this problem. A ray of light is incident on a prism of angle 60 degree. Whenever you see this, you start writing the data. We'll use a red pen. We are doing this ulta. Actually, it is supposed to be written red, no? In your junior classes you used to do that, but that's okay. So angle of the prism equal to 60 degree. Okay, then what is asked? Two questions are asked. This is for 5 mark, no? Maybe 2.5 and 2.5, or 3 on 2, like that, or maybe 2 and 3, whatever distribution is there. That's okay, no problem. What they are asking, find the refractive index of material of the prism. Material of the prism. So prism refractive index symbol is, we take it as N, and material is made up of glass. So Ng will take. This is being asked. And what is there? What the other data is given? Minimum deviation is 40 degree. So that is dm. Angle of minimum deviation, it is 40 degree. They are asking what is the refractive index. It's very simple question, first one, because we have formula for refractive index of prism. We'll write it as Ng, because refractive index of glass. Prism is made up of glass, no? That's why. So what is the formula? Sine of A plus dm divided by 2 divided by sine of A by 2. This is the formula. Yes or no? So then we'll write a sine of, what is A? It is 60, plus what is dm? 40 divided by 2 divided by sine of A by 2. What is A? 60. A by 2 means 30 degree. Okay, so this is gonna be Ng. Now you can solve this now easily. How will you solve this? Ng equal to what will it will come? Sine of 60 plus 40 divided by 2. That's gonna be sine 50 degree. 60 plus 40, 100. 100 by 2 is sine 50. Sine 50 degree divided by sine 30 degree. Now I don't know the value of sine 50 degree. How to do this? You know how to see it in the trigonometric table. Log table or trigonometric, that book is there now. In that you can. That will be allowed in the exam. Let us take it as x. Sine 30 is 1 by 2, I know that, but sine 50 degree I don't know. So Ng is equal to x. What is the unit? No unit. There is no unit for refractive index. So this is how you are supposed to solve. Okay, fine here. Please take out your notebook and pen. Please note down this problem and solve it also. Okay, I'm rubbing this off. We'll go to the next question. Second model is, whatever second question is being asked, that's very important. Very, very important. Okay, let us try to understand this. Let us do it with black pen. A prism is immersed in water of refractive index 1.3. Now, what in the initial problem, what they have done, the prism was there in air only. Air. Ray of light is falling here. It is getting refracted. It's coming. All that emergent ray. All that story you know. Okay. Now, whatever I have calculated, what was that? That was the refractive index of a prism. Glass. Okay. Relatively with air, what is the refractive index of air? 1, no? So what it will become? It will become Ng divided by 1. Ng divided by 1. Okay. But now prism is there in water. Try to understand this. Try to understand this. Where the prism is water. Its refractive index will be Ng only. But what is the refractive index of water? It's not 1. No. It's not gonna be 1. They have given what is NW. The refractive index of water is 1.3. Ng we know, we calculated just now. We got the value, no? X value we got. That's what we calculated in the first problem. Whatever it comes, you calculate it. Then you come to the second model. Okay, fine. Now what I am supposed to take? I am supposed to take refractive index of glass of prism with respect to water. NGW I have to take. This is equal to, what is the formula? Sine of A plus dm divided by 2. This dm and that dm is going to be different. Here it was 40 degree. Now it has changed. Incident ray of light, refracted ray of light, emergent. Now angle of whatever minimum deviation. Theory part you guys know that. Okay, whatever it is there, it's going to be different. So divided by sine of A divided by 2. So let us call it that this as dm dash. That's what we are gonna calculate. Find the angle of minimum deviation they have asked. I hope you got this model. Let us solve this now. Let us solve. How to solve? Same model, same formula, just now I told. Okay, what's gonna be the formula? NGW. NGW is equal to sine of A plus dm dash divided by 2. whole divided by sine of A divided by 2. Now what is the formula for NGW? Refractive index of glass with respect to water. It's gonna be Ng divided by Nw. Refractive index of glass divided by refractive index of water. What is this refractive index of glass? This is the refractive index of glass with respect to air. What is this Nw? This is the refractive index of water with respect to air. These are called absolute refractive indices also. Ng divided by Nw. That's gonna be sine of what is A? Angle of the prism won't change. If you place in water, kerosene, whatever it may be, it won't change. What is the angle of the prism? 60 degree. Plus I need to calculate dm dash divided by 2. Now it becomes a sine of A is 60. I have taken that given data. So it's going to be 30. Okay, fine. Now let us send this sine 30 this side. What is Ng? We did not calculate that. Now we took it as x. Let us keep it as x because sine 50 was there. That's why you could not calculate. You calculate and come back to this problem. Divided by 1.3. Nw is 1.3. Is into, it will become this side. No, it will come this side. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. So let us write it as sine 30 only. This side. Then it is equal to sine of 60 plus dm dash divided by 2. Now what it becomes? It becomes some value. X divided by 1.3 into sine 30 is 1 by 2. Let us call this as y. See, my motto is to give you the model, not the answer for this. You have to calculate that. Y is equal to what it will come? Sine of 60 plus dm dash divided by 2. Okay, now you bring this sine this side, it becomes sine inverse. So can I write it as 60 plus dm dash divided by 2 is equal to sine inverse of y. I hope you are getting this all. Okay, whatever I am saying, I hope you are getting this. This side I am going to rub. You keep on writing here. You keep on writing so that you will have all idea. You pause the video, don't take screenshots. Write it. Then what it becomes? Sine inverse of y, let us call it as 60 plus dm dash divided by 2 is equal to sine inverse of y, let us call it as z. Values you are going to get 60 plus dm dash is equal to 2z. Okay, what I want dm dash. Dm dash is equal to 2z minus 60. Whatever value comes, let us call it as xyz. It is completed now. Let us call it as something like I don't know, a degree, something a. Okay, now in exam don't write x, y, z, a and all. You have to calculate. You know how to calculate. If you don't know, watch other YouTube videos and get to know what to do here. Okay, this is how you are supposed to do these problems. Okay, fine. Thank you very much. Whatever you want, you mail it to this mail ID. Don't WhatsApp me and all. Many people are calling and all. They are doing all that. Don't have time for call, WhatsApp and all. So you mail your questions to Vamana Academy at gmail.com Okay, you mail here, you will get to know all the questions. Otherwise you can mail it to my personal mail ID, that is Bashetti Shrikant at gmail.com. You mail your questions so that I can keep solving for you guys. Okay, thank you very much. Have a good day.